Welcome to the top best. The best funny fishing lures is probably one of the most entertaining and surprisingly effective tools in any angler's arsenal, designed not just to catch fish but to bring a smile to your face while you're waiting for that bite. These quirky creations, ranging from miniature rubber chickens to surprisingly realistic-looking bugs with googly eyes, are engineered to mimic natural prey in shape and movement, often with an added element of surprise that can trigger aggressive strikes from even the most cautious fish, making your fishing trips more memorable and potentially more successful. Number 5. LITTMA Base Fishing Topwater Popper Lures. Introducing the LITTMA Base Fishing Topwater Popper Lures, designed for trophy bass. Experience high-performance popping action that attracts the biggest fish. Master 2 techniques: pop and stop or walk the dog. These lures are designed to be longer, fatter, and noisier, making them easy to work even in choppy water. The specially designed cup creates the perfect popping and splashing sound, imitating a distressed baitfish. With a built-in rattle, it's a proven big fish producer. Crafted with beautiful, intricate finishes and sharp BKK treble hooks. The long, flowing tails add lifelike movement, even when the lure is stationary. Featuring prismatic 3D eyes and ultra-realistic paint jobs in 9 popular bass-catching colors. This popping bait is designed to be irresistible. These lures are ideal for targeting fish around submerged timber, weeds, and grass beds. Their action works exceptionally well in these environments. What we like. This lure offers dual action, allowing for both popping and walking the dog retrieves. Its loud popping sound and built-in rattle are designed to attract aggressive strikes. If you're targeting big bass in choppy water or around cover, this is the lure for you. What people say. These poppers are a great addition to the arsenal. The bass love the pink color. Hooks are super sticky sharp. The feather trailers are great as well. Cast like a dream too. They walk side to side beautifully. Bought these lures because of the good color variation and excellent price. They are a nice size, I get good action from them, and most importantly, I've caught fish off of each of the 3. What more can you ask for from a fishing lure? They seem to be good quality, balanced, and the paint is holding up after regular usage. Great popping splash action. Perfect size for small to large fish. This lure has caught me many striped bass from 18 to 27 inch. Slow and short pops create a smooth splash for more passive fish. Harder jerks creates large splashes that trigger instinctive bites. Number 4. Master Baiter Fishing Lures. Introducing the Master Baiter Fishing Lures, designed to bring a smile to any angler's face. These unique lures are sure to be a hit on your next fishing trip. Make your friends laugh so hard they fall out of the boat. It's the perfect way to add some fun to your fishing adventures. Got a friend who loves to brag about their fishing skills? They might just need this in their tackle box. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Father's Day, or any occasion. Crafted with high-quality, durable components right here in North America. These lures are built to last and make your fishing trips even more memorable. Each lure features a premium hand-painted finish and is equipped with eagle claw laser-sharp hooks. They're designed to attract fish and make you the funniest person at the fishing hole. These versatile lures are perfect for catching walleye, pike, and trout. Add this essential piece of fishing tackle to your collection. What we like. This lure is designed to bring a smile to any angler's face, making it a fantastic gift. Its humorous design and high-quality construction ensure it's not just a gag but a functional lure. If you're looking for a unique gift for the fisherman who has everything, or just want to add some fun to your tackle box, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent build quality. They're hilarious and my husband loved them. Number 3. Juvale My Best Catch Fisherman Keychain. Looking for the perfect gift for the fisherman in your life? This keychain is a unique and thoughtful present. It's a fun way to show you care. This isn't just any keychain, it's a symbol of your special bond. Celebrate your love with a gift that's both practical and sentimental. Make him smile with this funny yet meaningful accessory. It's a constant reminder of your best catch, him. Show your husband or boyfriend how much he means to you. This gift is perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to anniversaries. Crafted with care, this keychain is designed to last. It's a durable and stylish addition to his everyday carry. He'll love showing off this special keychain. It's a conversation starter and a sweet reminder of your affection. What we like. This item combines a love for fishing with a sweet, personal message. It's a subtle way to express affection for a fishing enthusiast. If you're searching for a thoughtful and unique gift for your husband or boyfriend that celebrates his passion, this is a perfect pick. What people say. It came in a cute velvety pouch and had a protective layer on the main portion of the chain. It feels very high quality and the fish has great detailing. The key ring is rather large, but you can just take off the pendants and put them on your own like he did if you don't want a bulky one. Number 2. Juvale Golden Fish Trophy Award. Celebrate your fishing triumphs with this stunning golden fish trophy. It's the perfect award for any fishing tournament, adding a touch of prestige to your event. Featuring an elegant gold fish leaping from a classic black base, this award is a captivating centerpiece. Its sophisticated style complements any fishing enthusiast's collection. Measuring just 3 by 5 inches, this trophy fits perfectly on any shelf or mantle. It's an excellent way to display your achievements without taking up too much space. Ideal for fishing tournaments, camping trips, or birthday celebrations, this award is a fun prize for both adults and children. It's a great novelty for any fishing fan. The base offers ample space for a personalized engraved nameplate. Make this award uniquely yours by adding a special message or name. What we like. This trophy offers a classic and elegant award for any fishing competition or event. The gold-plated fish and black base provide a distinguished look, and the engravable base allows for personalization. If you need a prize that feels substantial and can be customized for winners, this is an excellent option. What people say. Super shiny. Sturdy plastic. Heavy-soled base. Will not just blow over. Perfect kid size or participant trophy. It's higher quality than I was expecting. It's heavy and well made, nothing on it was broken or dinged. Les details de la truite sur le trophy sun trace beau et il est léger parfait pour un tournoi de pêche. Number 1. Casual cool 3D printed crazy funny socks. Tired of boring socks? Introducing the ultimate accessory for your feet. These aren't just any socks, they're a statement. Express yourself with vibrant, eye-catching designs. Our socks feature unique 3D printed graphics that are sure to turn heads. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and fashion. Made with soft, breathable material, they're ideal for everyday wear. Looking for a fun and quirky gift? These novelty socks are a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Even if you're not a fisherman, these socks are designed for those who appreciate a bit of fun and flair. Get yours today. What we like. These socks are a fun and quirky way to show off your love for fishing. The vibrant, 3D printed graphics are sure to turn heads. If you're looking to add some personality to your casual wear or want a fun gift for a fishing buddy, these novelty socks are a fantastic choice. What people say. He was amused. I bought these socks for my teen grandson who is an avid fisherman. He loves them. I had my fiancé wear them for our wedding celebration with his suit since he loves fishing. He cracked up, loved the idea. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.